Over the past few days, I've been enjoying the sights and flavors of Kyoto. Now, it's Yokohama's turn. I'm waiting on my teammates for dinner in the lobby of our hotel when one of them brings in these. These are Tokyo bananas. We have been trying to get our hands on these for days, but they are always sold out by the time we get off work. These cream-filled delicacies are only available in Japan and spoil after a few days, so you need to eat them quickly. What about dinner? Before we enjoy more of Yokohama, I want to take a few minutes and thank my supporters like Big Daddy, Arglove Books, and Savet Lozer Histov. I invite you to click the subscribe button and leave me a comment on your favorite places to explore. Now, back to dinner. We walked around the area of our hotel and found Gyu-Kaku. This Korean-style barbecue has an electronic menu for ordering and a lot of great options. After the lessons we learned 3 years ago in Korea, we had no issues this time figuring out what to do. We each got to sample our choice of entree and a few extras like kimchi. There are a variety of sauces and the meat is always cooked to your liking. And don't forget about dessert. Dinner ends with tea, of course, and I did my best to try and remember what we learned at our tea ceremony in Kyoto. Dang, this cup is hot.
That's what it says. That'd be cool. It always like that.
Good way to end dinner. That was awesome. The next evening, we explored our part of Yokohama and found another excellent place to dine. Alright, we're gonna try Hungry Tiger tonight. The Hungry Tiger did not disappoint. Your dinner here is allowed to finish cooking right in front of you on a scorching hot iron plate. Be sure to use the napkin to shield yourself from the splattering grease. This is not a meal that is healthy, but a meal for healthy eaters. Yeah, it's so good.
So what's our next gustatorial adventure?
Good question, Ben. We are heading to Chinatown. After 3 weeks in Japan, we're looking for a little American comfort food at the Midtown BBQ. The owner here is an American who moved to Japan to marry his love and decided to stay. If you need a little reminder of home, this is the place. Portions here are American sized.
God, look at that slice of America right there.
Whoa! Whoa! Watch that, wiener. Don't ask. Keep your sausage to yourself. Welcome to the song of my people. For the record, I have never had pork biscuit before. It is indescribable.
I'm supposed to fight for meat off of this. This isn't supposed to be this easy.
There's not going to be a fight for this meat. It is just falling
You
apart.
shake it and it falls off.
Oh my God.
sauce on that.
Don't spoil the moment. There will not be any leftovers. With our time in Japan running out, I am desperately trying to use up all of my change. The currency exchanges will only take bills, so use up your coins before you leave. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Next week, we are heading to the excitement of Chinatown.